Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome app. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open your Google Chrome app and type here and hit enter and search here dark mode, and here you'll find this option auto dark mode for web content. So click on this drop down and select enabled and click on relaunch. And now if I open my Chrome and I'm going to opening a new tab and searching for anything, and here you can see I've successfully turn on dark mode on my Google Chrome app.